Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Holman Partition wing kit for the RAM ProMaster. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 4064P. It is the wing kit that fits all roof heights of the ProMaster, so it's going to fit the standard roof, the high roof, and the super high roof, because the way that the ProMaster is designed is that added roof height basically comes to you in the form of an attic over top of the cab. But the cab area and the mounting locations for the partition are essentially the same between all the different roof heights. So that makes it nice because there's just one wing kit that you use for the ProMaster. You're going to use this in combination with a center panel kit for so the 40651 is the perforated version where you have a perforated top of the door, perforated top over the passenger seat. And then the 40652, I believe, is the solid partition where there's no perforation or window or anything like that to see back into the cargo area. So this is just the wing kit. This is what allows you to attach those center panels to the van. You need to make sure that you're buying those and not just the wing kit, and vice versa. So in the box here, we have some nice little dumb-inch styrofoam cubes here to keep things from jostling around too much. We also have our warranty card on top. Holman products come with a 3-year warranty from the factory. They just have a policy that you have to have purchased from an authorized reseller like upfitsupply.com, so make sure that you're buying from an authorized reseller if you want to take advantage of the warranty. We also have here on top our parts list. I love this little quality control stamp they put on here as well. That shows you everything that should be in the box. So it's always a good practice to just make sure that everything on this list here is in the box, because it can be frustrating to get halfway done with an install and realize you're missing one little part. So we have in here a bagged angle bracket of sorts. Looks like we have another one right here. I'm not entirely sure where these go yet. We're going to be installing this in the ProMaster that you can see behind me shortly. So if you want to watch that installation, you can watch that video as well. We have another little bracket here. This is interesting. That's used for this partition. We have our bag of hardware. So I'm assuming this is hardware for assembly of this wing kit to attach it to your center panels and then attach the entire partition to the van. We do have some plus nuts here, so I'm not 100% sure if you have to do some drilling or if there's existing holes in the van where you need to put those plus nuts in place for the installation, but that does mean you will need a plus nut installation tool. If you don't have one, you can purchase one on our website at upfitsupply.com. Now in this foam, we're gonna just have a bunch of little brackets and panels that are gonna be used to attach to the center panels. So we've got one here. This is probably a top or bottom panel or side panel. We've got another one right here, all engineered to fit exactly within the ProMaster. Another one right here. This looks like it may be a top panel. I've been wrong before. This happened once or twice. And then we have another one right here. This may be the top panel. How many times I'm gonna say that in this video? But is that the last one in here? Yeah, I'm just gonna pull this out. Got another little bracket right here. Now again, I do not know where these go, so make sure you watch that install video or look at the installation guide to figure out where these all go in the van, and don't just take my word on it because I called all of these the top panel. But again, this is just the wings. This gets attached to those center panels that you're gonna purchase separately and allows you to install that inside of your RAM ProMaster. Again, this fits the standard high, super high roof. I believe this is one of the deepest partitions that you can get for the van from Holman. This is powder coated in their traditional gray finish, so it's gonna match any Holman shelving or racks or anything else you may have in the back of the van. So everything's gonna match. So make sure you get those center panels. You can also get for the center panels an additional latch lock key system to essentially turn that center panel into a door so you can get back into the cargo area of the van. Now, if you're looking for this wing kit, the center panels, or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, Be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Okay, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.